Hi, I want to show you our Tupperware classic pitchers, the favorite tea pitcher of everyone. We have 3 different sizes available, and the small is a 1 3/4 cup, the medium is a 2 quart, and the large one is the gallon capacity. And these are great. They seal nice and tight. And the push button and lift out, push back in, but they're super airtight. Whenever you're ready to pour, you just lift that up, and then it gives you room to pour. Press the button, lock it back down. But these are our very popular classic tea pitchers, great for many, many uses.